Y'all, I thought the old filter would have dried it overnight, but it didn't. Turns out there was oil in it from when it was upside down, the four-wheeler in the pond. Water wasn't really the problem, but I washed it out. It's almost dry now, just a little bit of water, and I have all the oil out. I wash it with soap and get all the soap out. But I'm afraid when I put the filter back on, that ain't gonna fix nothing, because what it sounds like is my fuel pump's out. So I gotta work on my fuel pump. Hopefully it's just that. I don't mind the fuel pump. It'll be easier to fix than the whole fuel injector and top end and all that. But I'm trying to see if I can get it to work, because it don't sound like gas is going to it, but yet again, filter's not in, so. And it just don't. I don't know why. But I'm gonna give it another try. The turkey hunting video will be up probably Saturday afternoon if I go. Saturday afternoon. Might go tomorrow afternoon. I don't know. Not tomorrow afternoon. Never mind. I can't. I don't know when I'll go. Or Sunday. Sometime. But I'm honestly, instead of going ahead and getting the Sportsman, I might, if I have to take the 420 off to get another top end built, or I might just take it to a mechanic to save time. I might buy like another four-wheeler. Nothing crazy, just something cheap, and then I can find on Marketplace just to have and for backup, because this has clearly showed me we need a backup plan. And then getting a high lifter, but I don't know yet, so no promises. Yeah.